Wanderlust often starts with a person daydreaming at a keyboard about a trip to a new and exotic place. When that person decides to make that trip to that far-flung place a reality, their search quickly turns to someone who can make that trip happen, making your online marketing an absolute priority. Since your website is often the first interaction your potential clients have with you, you need an engaging website that effectively showcases your brand and services. Your website serves as the gateway to your potential clients' travel dreams. Your website is also a hub for essential information about your travel services. This includes details about your destinations, tour packages, pricing, contact information, and customer reviews. Luckily, you don't need to be an expert designer and developer to build an engaging website. SeedProd is the best WordPress website builder, trusted by over 1 million users. SeedProd makes building any WordPress site effortless with its beginner-friendly interface and drag-and-drop editor. SeedProd offers tons of ready-made templates for almost every business niche, meaning you can build a complete WordPress website in a single click without writing a single line of code. Each SeedProd website template includes a homepage, landing pages, and a contact page. It also comes with example content and images, so you can see what the final look of your website is even before it's ready. Then, all you need to do is replace the placeholder content with your text and images. You can use the SeedProd drag-and-drop builder to customize the template. Specifically for the travel and tourism industry, you could use the hiking and tours theme, a well-designed and informative site kit that enhances the credibility and professionalism of your travel and tourism website. The hiking and tours theme offers a centralized hub for all relevant information about your travel and tourism services. Clients can learn about your destinations, tour packages, pricing, contact information, and customer reviews all in one place. In addition to creating a visually appealing and user-friendly website, it's also important to focus on lead generation. This is where OptinMonster seamlessly integrates with SeedProd to take your website's performance to the next level. OptinMonster isn't just a tool, it's a strategy. You can create and customize beautiful, high-converting lead generation forms. OptinMonster excels in its ability to target specific audiences based on factors like user behavior, location, and more. With advanced targeting and personalization features, OptinMonster ensures that the right message reaches the right audience at exactly the right time. And OptinMonster offers templates specifically designed for the hiking and tours theme. You have access to pop-ups, floating bar, full screen, inline slide-in, and gamified campaign types. Simply edit the campaign copy to match your brand and offer. Set your display rules, and you'll be well on your way to building a list of qualified leads. Some things are just meant to go together, and SeedProd and OptinMonster are no exception. The beauty of this partnership is the seamless integration between SeedProd and OptinMonster. While SeedProd lays the groundwork for an aesthetically pleasing website, OptinMonster fine-tunes the user experience by strategically implementing lead generation tactics. The result, a website that looks good and converts visitors into customers effortlessly. If you're using the best website builder, why not also use the best lead generation and conversion optimization software? Connect OptinMonster with SeedProd and start growing your email list today. Use the promo code OM60 for 60% off your first year subscription to SeedProd, and use the code OMVideos for an extra discount on your first year subscription to OptinMonster. Both of these offers are linked in the description below. Thanks for watching.